Most of recent doors are made of soft material, which is sometimes the screws it gets loose, and no matter how many times you tighten them, it will come out. So also because the way these handles are made, you can really not use a bigger screw. So you end up with this situation that the place of the screw gets loose, and then you can really not tighten the handle again. So in order to repair this, I have tried many ways, but recently I tried a solution which is it's working, and I think that's one of the best ways to do it. So these are is a roll plug which is normally used for tightening the screw in the walls. I have used it in one of my doors and it worked very well. So I'm just trying it now in this door, and I'll show you the process now. I can, if the holes are smaller than the normal roll plug you have, you can use the insulation of the wires, which you can use for it. We can remove the insulation of this one and then insert it in the hole, and then screw it. We need to enlarge the hole a little bit first. So we can enlarge it with many things, but I use here today a screwdriver. So then we are going to insert it and cut the extra. So once we made the hole big enough, we insert this one, but not very loose. Now we'll insert the roll plug. And we will cut the extra. And this is how, if you want to use the normal wire, and we can insert it and then we can enlarge it like we did before. And insert this, and then we cut the extra like we did so. Since this was broken, I'm going to use a wood glue to glue the broken piece here. I'm going to let it dry for some time. Now I'm going to fix back the door handle. Of course, the best thing is the roll plug, because the roll plug have got these grips that doesn't let it come out. But I use the wire to just show you that there are other ways also, and if you choose the right thickness of wire that it is tight inside, it will work as good. I'm going to use the last screw down. As you can see, even this one it's became very tight. It's now perfect. Now it is perfect.